How to delete chat on Messenger. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, open your Messenger application and then tap and hold the message that you want to delete the chat of. Then you will see the second option, delete. Simply tap on it. Select delete and done. It is very easy process. You also have an option of archiving it if you do not want to permanently delete it but still want to hide it from your main feed. So you also saw the text archive. In order to archive it, simply press on archive and it will not be permanently deleted, but you will not be able to see over here in this section. So that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.